Yo, what's going on, YouTube? So today we're starting off this video at the bank because I need to take some money out. We're gonna go buy some mirror caps. I found some mirror caps in Jersey, about an hour away. So let's take out some money and then we will be on our way. We're 1 hour and 8 minutes away. I'm just hoping this isn't a waste of time. The guy seems legit. Found it on Facebook Market, but you never know what could happen with Facebook Market. So let's get this over with. Soon enough we'll have M mirror caps. We're 40 minutes away right now. Hopefully the mirrors are in near perfect condition. I did ask him if it has any scratches or blemishes and he said no. About to catch me slipping. Alright guys, so right now we're only 4 minutes away. So I just picked up the mirror caps. We just pulled up to McDonald's because I haven't ate anything all day and I need to eat something quick. I'm not gonna lie, that was one of the coolest, nicest guys I've ever met on a Facebook Market transaction. So they're not in perfect condition. He did give me a discount because, or maybe they are in perfect condition. Maybe they're just dirty. Yeah, I actually think they're just dirty. They're A concept M style mirrors. I'm not sure why, but my car didn't come with M style mirrors. But I think the new models do, like the 2023 and up. He wanted, I think it was 150. He did give it to me for $100 because I did travel an hour and a half away. So I do appreciate that. Listen, he was one of the nicest guys I've ever met. He has an M340. He also has, I think, an E92 M3. And it's fire. It has BBSs on it. I wanted to record it, but I was a little shy. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like putting a camera in people's face. He was super cool. He knows a lot about BMWs. Me and him are gonna stay in contact. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat some food now. Let's go have a mukbang. Fuck it. Let's see the driver. I'm going to go home. I'm gonna clean these up, and then I'm gonna give you guys a better view when I get to the crib. They look pretty good for a used pair.